our मम्मी पापा से जाओ धूप में खेलो, सनलाइट में जाओगे खेलोगे तो विटामिन डी आएगा. Will the sunlight only give you vitamin D? No, your body makes the vitamin D, not the sunlight.
Okay.
So you get sunlight for vitamin D, and then they get water and oxygen. Hi, my name is Stella Sagol and I'm in class 4B. Section is B only. So today we're going to talk about leaf. Everybody knows about the leaf, of course. It is a part of a plant which is green in color. But should I tell you one fact? That leaf is actually not a green color. The leaf is actually not green color. It is just getting the green color effect because in the leaf there's already chlorophyll. That is like we were born with blood, just like that leaves were born with chlorophyll. So when the leaves have chlorophyll, the chlorophyll makes them green in color because chlorophyll is green in color only. So after that, when the chlorophyll come, when like you have like over here a leaf, they have drawn green color, but this is wrong. It's just showing because of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is darker over here, just like that. And next, I'm gonna tell you about the parts of a leaf. So first, I'm gonna talk about the leaf blade. The leaf blade is over here in the sides, like here. You can see the leaf blade be may not sharp like a paper, but sometimes you can get cut like a paper cut or something. Next, I'm going to talk about these veins. The leaf's veins are very special because when there's no vein in the leaf, it cannot get any water, and if it doesn't get water, you already know it dies. So if the veins are here, it's helping the leaf. So because if the veins are there, the plant absorbs water from the soil, which are mineral water from the soil. So when they absorb the mineral water from the soil, it goes up the plant, but it will only reach the flower and the stem, not the leaves and the branches only. Because if the leaf doesn't have veins to spread the water, then what will they have? Will we just open the leaf and put the water like this? No, na. So that's why their veins are working like that. And I will tell you one thing. The leaf's stomata looks like this. When you can see little blue circles over here, and in the middle of them you can see pink colored lips, and inside those lips you can see a little dot, white color dot. The little white color dot is a stomata. Stomata is an air hole that the leaf breathes through. It can also pass out water. So there, just imagine.
Yes.
There are blue circles here, and then I suddenly draw pink color lips here, and there's a dot over here, and I'm gonna point out that and write stomata. That's the air hole that the leaf breathes from. Stomata. And next is how transpiration happens. How transpiration happens. Transpiration is when a plant like this one absorbs water. Like this plant is just sitting. You think it's just sitting and growing and taking the sunlight and doing photosynthesis, which is cooking. But it's actually absorbing the water, taking half of the water for photosynthesis like here, and then putting it aside. Next, the extra water that is left from the photosynthesis, they use it to get it out for raining. So first, like there's a leaf over here. Okay, just imagine there's a leaf over here and you put a plastic bag over it. Wait for some days and there will be water inside it, water droplets. You think, why are there water droplets? You will think your family member put water. But they say, I never put water, I only put water in the soil. Then you think, how did the water come? How? So, when there's a leaf over here, the plant absorbs mineral water. They take half of the water for the photosynthesis and growth. Extra water left, the leaf takes the extra water and then lets the extra water go out through the stomata, which is the air hole. And the water is very garam, so it comes in very hot. Very hot. So it comes out of the stomata, slowly going up to the clouds. And when it touches the clouds, when the water comes out, it's like very smoky because it's hot. So the smoke is going up. And when it touches the clouds, it's water. Then, just after that, the cloud collects the water. Collect. Then, you suddenly think, I'm the cloud. And then while I'm collecting the water, you will see I'm collecting the water. Okay? And then I suddenly start raining. Because I'm taking out the water back from my body and giving it back to the plants. That's how transpiration happens. Next, I'm going to tell you what is photosynthesis. You might be thinking, what is photosynthesis? You might be thinking that plants take photo and they also do cooking photo. No, that's not true. Photosynthesis is actually the plant's technique of cooking. First, the plant already has chlorophyll. Okay. So the plant has chlorophyll. Then they absorb the sunlight from the sun. Our mummy papa say, जाओ धूप में खेलो. Sunlight में जाओगे खेलोगे तो vitamin D आएगा. Will the sunlight only give you vitamin D? No, your body makes the vitamin D, not the sunlight.
Okay.
So you get sunlight for vitamin D, and then they get water and oxygen. They mix, make into glucose. You know glucon D? पीते हैं ना ग्लूकोन डी एनर्जी के लिए, उनका सेम है ग्लूकोज, एनर्जी के लिए खाते हैं ग्लूकोज. That's how photosynthesis happens. Thank you. And make sure to like, subscribe and press the bell icon button. And in the comments you can just comment what subject you want, and whichever subject is the most commented, I will do on that the next video. Bye.